Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to Sweet and Savory Kitchen. Today I'm making really delicious pakoras. For that it is basically onions, potatoes, spinach, whatever vegetable you like, but this is the simplest it gets. So I have about 1.5 onion and I have about half a cup cilantro, some jalapenos, 3 jalapenos in here, so I'm going to add everything to the bowl. And I have, this is baby spinach. I have about 300 grams of baby spinach. I washed and drained, make sure. And then I have here about 4 to 5 potatoes, about thinly sliced. Here, and we're gonna add to the bowl. Okay, for spices, I have here about 1 teaspoon of garam masala and some cumin powder. I'm gonna put that in. And I have this Ajwain, 1 teaspoon of Ajwain in there. About 2 teaspoons of salt. And about a teaspoon of red chilies. And I'm also going to add some Shan's chaat masala. It's your choice if you don't want, like, you don't need to, it's optional. But it just makes it taste really good. And now we are going to carefully mix these ingredients together. Because of the salt, the vegetables are going to release water. And after we mix it, then we're going to add our basin. So our mixture is already gone down after we mixed it really well. We're going to use basin a little bit at a time, and we're going to continue to mix, and then we'll add water slowly. We don't need too much water. So this is about a half a cup. I'm going to mix this well. Until all the vegetables are coated. Need a little bit more. And now we're going to add about a tablespoon of water and continue to mix. So in total, right now, we used up about a cup of basin. We're gonna need about a cup or more. So I added half a cup of more basin and some more water, just a tiny bit. You're gonna add a little bit at a time. Gonna need more basin. And some more water. Mix it really, really well. And then we're going to let it rest for about 5 minutes, and then mix again, and then we'll fry them up. So this is what the batter looks like after. It's not runny. It's just enough to coat the vegetables, and it has gone down in size. It's reduced. And now we're gonna let it sit for about 5 minutes while our oil is being heated. See them. So what we're going to do, make sure the oil is hot. You can fry one up and to see how it tastes. And if you need to add more salt or pepper, you can do that at the point. So I'm just basically going to take a spoonful like this and drop it in and let it cook. It takes about 4 to 5 minutes or until they're golden brown. After a few minutes of frying, you can turn them over to the other side carefully and let them cook until they are golden brown. We're going to fry them up until they reach this color. And they are done. We're going to take them out and put them on a paper towel so all the oil is drained. We're going to continue to fry until we're all done, or you can reuse this batter, save it, put it in the fridge for next day, and it will be perfectly fine to use. It might have released some water, so you might need to use a little bit more basin and mix it up, and it will be good to use for the next day. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and have an amazing day. Enjoy your pakoras. Thank you. Bye.